In this video, I want to quickly talk about the function builder feature in my PSSnow module. So if you're on the main README, you can scroll down and there's a link to function builder here. This does document some of the steps, but obviously it's just easier if I create a video for it and show you a demo. So in the actual module files, if we go into public and then table, there is quite a lot of table specific functions in here. So getSnow user, getSnow task, incident, approver, request, and so on. These are just sort of the common ones that I added initially out of the box um, to help people, but I think there's probably a lot missing, and I'll add a few more in the next release. One that I just thought of for this demo, and that I think is probably, or should probably be in this list already, is user groups. So let's jump over to the developer instance that I've got running, and we can see the group table. The actual table name is sys user group. So the first thing that you need to do is navigate to the function builder folder. So we can see the actual function here for that. It's not part of the module, it's just part of the repo. The next thing that we'll do is import the module itself, and then we'll set authentication. Now we need to do this because it is going to reach out to ServiceNow and pull some information to build this function. So once that's done, let's just set up the command for building out the function. So we'll take our sys user group table name and paste it into here. The next parameter is a function name. So we want to do a get command to start with. Get snow user group. We do want to add it to the manifest, and we'll just put a verbose on there as well. So let's quickly run that command. You can see it's already got the template, the boilerplate, and it's added get snow user group to the manifest. So let's jump into the file structure. We can see our new function is here. It's built out all the help text with all the placeholders filled in, and the parameters it's pulled from ServiceNow. So we've got, Boolean as active, and we've got some aliases pulled through here as well. Obviously, you should always come in after you've created one and just verify the parameters that have been pulled through. There might be some cases, and I've done this with the get user command, where they're just simply not relevant, so I've dropped them. If you do drop any, you can still access them using the same command, because there will be a query parameter on this as well that you can use. But yeah, it's really simple. It's just got the table name in here and the parameters. So let's go back to our demo script. Now, if we re-import the module, I'm going to set authentication again. I can use get-snow user group, limit 1, and we can see a record from that table. So in this case, the first record has the name analytics settings managers. So we could do, just to make sure that the parameters work, dash name, analytics settings, managers, hit enter, and we've got that specific record. So it's as easy as that. If you've got a very custom instance of ServiceNow with hundreds of custom tables, you can actually build out specific functions for those tables just using this process. If they are new or set, the process is exactly the same. There will be some differences because obviously if you're using new and set and there's read-only fields, it's not going to put them into the parameter list. So it does those little checks for you. And that's it. So hopefully that'll make people's life a little bit easier. Thanks.